Hello, welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today, I just wanted to share with you how I am doing my winter capsule wardrobe this year. You can read my full post on my blog, shannontorrens.com. I will leave the link down below. We're here in my bedroom, and currently my husband and I share this closet that's behind us. It's a pretty large closet, but before we moved to this house, we each had our own closets, which was definitely very nice. But since I have a capsule wardrobe and he does as well, it's very easy to share this closet. First, I want to start with a little story of why I feel a capsule wardrobe is so important. Before we started decluttering and becoming more minimal, I had a closet this size that was just my own, completely packed with stuff. I also had a huge set of drawers. Each drawer was completely packed. And I also had a set of 6 bins that were completely full of clothes. It's not because I was really into shopping, it's just because I had accumulated a lot of clothing over a 10-year period of time. And since I had never decluttered, I just kept putting more and more into bins and putting it away thinking, oh, that will come in handy one day. And to be honest, it never really did. When we first started decluttering, I focused primarily on my closet and drawers, all my clothes. I wanted to have one of those closets that is super, super organized and pretty to look at. I also wanted to be able to open my closet, pull something out that I know will fit, and I wanted it to be easier to be able to put an outfit together and have it look good. So now let's cut to the chase and let me show you what I have in my winter capsule wardrobe. I currently have 6 pairs of pants in my capsule wardrobe. I have skinny black jeans that I'm wearing now. I have some more casual black track pants. I have some blue jeans. I have a nicer pair of skinny slacks that are black. I also have a more casual pair of black jeans. And then I have these green pants. I do like these green pants. They do add a little bit more color to my wardrobe because I am attracted to wearing mostly black. It's been really cool this winter in California so far, way cooler than winters in the past. These are a little bit more colorful. I have white, gray, kind of a blue-gray, red, and then 2 green ones. We can have the occasional warm day, so I do have 2 short sleeve t-shirts that are normally in my summer and fall wardrobe. But these are also good in case it's really cold. I can put these under one of my sweaters. So I like to have these in my seasonal wardrobe. I have 3 long sleeve shirts, and these are just solid colors, blue, white, and black. And the nice thing about these is I consider these my basics. So almost everything in my wardrobe can be mixed and matched with these. And what I like about that is then I can add more layers, a colorful scarf or something like that to make the outfit really pop. I have 2 jackets. I have a raincoat and I have a warmer jacket. And then I also have this puffer vest. I know some people are not into puffer vests, but this is something that I wear almost every day in the winter because our home is very cool. So no matter what I'm wearing in the house, I can just throw this on top of whatever I'm wearing and it keeps me really warm, but then my arms are free to do a lot of activities. So honestly, I feel this is the one thing in my wardrobe that I wear all the time. When it comes to capsule wardrobes, some people like to do a seasonal capsule wardrobe, which is what I like to do. And some people do a full capsule wardrobe. So they have a certain set amount of items and they use those items throughout the entire year. For us in California, I think personally it's easier for me to have a seasonal capsule wardrobe. There are items that I just will not wear when it's summer because it is way too hot here. In the summer, I will never wear pants because it is in the hundreds every single day. So for me, it just doesn't make sense to have a year capsule wardrobe, but it's easier for me to stay on top of my wardrobe when it's a seasonal capsule wardrobe and I can switch things out. How I switch out my capsule wardrobe is I store all of my off-season clothing in my drawers. So currently all of my summer dresses, summer clothes are in my drawers and all of my winter clothes are hanging. When we go from winter to spring, summer, I will then take all of these winter clothes, put them into my drawers, fold it up nicely. I will take all my dresses and shirts, hang them, and then I will usually keep at least 1 or 2 drawers for all of my shorts and tank tops, things that I normally will not hang. Currently for shoes, I'm mostly wearing these 3 pairs. So I have these black little boots, brown boots, and my walking shoes. I pulled my shoes out so you could see them easily, but normally I store them in these IKEA boxes. These are a really good way to see your shoes and also keep them clean, dust-free, and organized. What I'm working with right now is about 22 items, and this is what I've been wearing every day throughout the week. And I thought for interest's sake, I would count every item that I have, even the stuff that I am not currently using in my winter wardrobe, but that I could if I wanted to. I just did a quick count and I have 41 items all together, including the things that I have in my capsule wardrobe that I'm currently working with, as well as the items that I usually use in fall and more transitional items. Honestly, minimalism, decluttering, it's all personal. It's what works for you. So I don't feel that minimalism should be a race to have the least amount of stuff. It should just be honestly what works for you in your home and your life. And for me, this has made our lives so much easier when it comes to laundry, picking out outfits, getting ready. It's just simplified everything. Being a stay-at-home mom, my wardrobe is very casual, but as you can see, basic, solid colors are very easy to mix and match. This is sort of a dark gray shirt, but as you can see, this could easily go with these green pants because they're both neutral colors. I found in the past when I have patterned items, it is way harder to mix and match those things. So I tend to only have a few patterns in my wardrobe, especially my winter wardrobe, because there are so many items that need to be mixed and matched and layered. It makes it a lot harder to have the patterns. In my summer wardrobe, I have a lot more patterns because usually those items are being worn on their own, just one single tank top and shorts. I want to share some quick decluttering tips that have helped me get to the point where I am now. I'm going to insert a clip right here from the other day when I decluttered some pants. They're just the type of pants that for some reason, if you're wearing them for even 5 minutes, they stretch out to the point where they're slipping down and falling off. So what I did for probably the 100th time is I took them back off, hung them back up in my closet, and that's when I came up with the idea for this video, which is anytime you find yourself repeatedly taking something off for any reason whatsoever, maybe it's itchy or annoying, doesn't fit right, declutter the item. So even though this year I'm going on a no spend year, or I'm gonna try a no spend year, so far I've been successful, we haven't bought anything, but that kind of makes you start to think, well, maybe I should save things, I might need these pants. But I have taken these off so many times throughout the years that I'm going to let these go at this point because I know if I can't wear them now, I'm never going to wear them. So these are going into my decluttering pile. I've had quite a few questions on what to do with clothes that are too tight or too loose. Should you keep them until you can fit into them again? This is just so unique to each individual person. If you're the type of person who goes up and down in weight, I would not just declutter those clothes or you're gonna be buying them all over again. What I would do is decide, are they something that you would wear if you lost the weight or gained the weight back? And in that case, I would probably keep them. The biggest perk to having a capsule wardrobe, hands down for me, has been less laundry. And I'll explain how that works because I've had a lot of questions about that. What it is I wear all my clothes Monday through Friday, the whole entire week. And then on the weekend, I do all the laundry. And the reason why there's more laundry when you have more clothes is normally what I would do before I decluttered and had a capsule wardrobe, I would wear my clothes through the week and I'd say, hey, I still have clothes. I don't need to do laundry yet. I'd continue to wear my clothes until I had a ton of laundry to do at one time, and it would be extremely overwhelming. I've also recently implemented a laundry day, and you could pick any day of the week. For me, I chose the weekend because we're usually all home on the weekend, and I find it convenient because we've worn all our clothes through the whole week and we can start fresh on Monday with all of our clothes clean. It helps me to stay on task, get it done quicker, and I don't forget that I have stuff in the washer and forget to put it in the dryer or vice versa. My life personally has improved so much because I don't feel like I'm doing laundry every single day of my life. You can click right here to see how we decluttered everything in our lives. And if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button to never miss a video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.